tell you, say, the way you make me feel right now, I feel like one piece. No, man, I'm not joking, but the way me turn out, yeah. It may just feel like, hold on, I forgot shut up, piece. Hold on. My cousin, you look like, I'm gonna get off. Alright, babes, man, I'll show it back. Alright, babes, I'll show it back.
Yo, dog, no bother with that.
But I don't know. How that? Jimmy.
Generally deaf.
How with the mama?
Oh, yo, the mother cuss nobody word, brother. Me a Christian in a dog. How the...
Right now, I not have no conversation with no tired. I don't understand how you feel be tired and you're a Christian.
Brother, right now I'm tired of this. Late last night, you come in here and I back your fist.
Brother, you can't talk them thing, man. You look, you see a back fist alone.
You bust off in a minute, dog.
Yo. Why? Why, dog? Why you want them thing that you can't talk?
A regular you come in here and I back your fist, dog. And the man just a move fast like the when he park taxi them, you know, dog.
Me come, yo. You may say no, leave me alone, let me peace, I just go on about your business.
Jackass, you ever see Tyler talk about business yet?
You ever see Tyler talk to somebody yet?
No, but the one I can't talk though.
You may say no, I'm not going to spend the whole time in there to have a conversation with that Tyler. So you may say, I even bother one piece of shit, more shit right now. So I'm in the business where you want to say.
Hold on, my boss. Yo, just
what?
Hold on, no start.
Hear you
Just hear me out. Just hear me out, please. Hear me out. Alright. Brother, watch out now. You have to see with me. I got 10 years me there so. And I suffer. Them be with me a way more while in a dog. Whole heap of time your woman come here in a dog. And she threw a tampon in a me in a brother. She never do in a dog.
You may say that, remember do what I do, I'm going to tap back in my girl and my you.
Black up all my windpipe in a brother.
But you're not no windpipe, so.
No, not my windpipe, my water pipe in a brother.
Oh, your water pipe.
So right now, dog, me I beg you do. Me I beg you for that chance, brother. Just save me now, dog.
One chance what? You're tired, you don't have no other purpose. We have a big chance, so you're tired that to make for.
Watch that, dog. Yo, yeah, no, dog. After I beg you, brother, you really do this, alright?
I'm in a business where you want to.